Yo, it's your boy, back to drop one of the most fucking important dating tricks I've ever taught. No bullshit. Once I started using this, my game with girls went from mad to god tier overnight. Why most guys suck at texting and talking to girls. Texting, the number one thing that fucks guys up every single day. I see dudes fumble shit so bad, it hurts my fucking soul. They send shitty messages like, hey, what's up? What are you doing? Wanna hang out this weekend? And they don't even realize these are the worst possible texts to send. These weak-ass texts make you look like every other boring motherfucker she's talking to. Even worse, they put her in control of the interaction when you should be the one calling the fucking shots. Wouldn't it be way better if you were the one making her chase you? Fuck yeah, it would. But for 99% of guys, that shit doesn't happen. And it's not just texting. Most dudes suck at talking to women in person too. Why you keep fucking up conversations with women? They say all the wrong shit, freeze up, and can't make a girl feel a fucking thing every damn day. I get hundreds of DMs from dudes asking me how to stop fucking up their convos with girls. And you know what? 99% of those guys are missing one thing. That one thing is abundance. And lucky for you motherfuckers, I'm about to teach you how to use it to turn your love life from shit tier to god tier. You ready? Let's fucking go. What the fuck is abundance and why it's the key to getting women? Abundance means having a fuck ton of options. Women, experiences, fun, opportunities, and when it comes to dating, it means everything. You always want to project abundance. That means an abundance of women who are into you, an abundance of fun shit happening in your life, an abundance of confidence. When you do this, you automatically flip the script. Instead of you chasing her, she starts chasing you. Why? Because when a girl sees that your life is already fucking amazing without her, she starts wondering, why the hell is this guy not sweating me like all the other desperate dudes? That shit drives women crazy. They want what they can't have, and when you act like you don't need her, she starts fucking needing you. How to show abundance without being a fake a-hole. And listen, I'm not talking about some fake A pickup artist lines or pretending to be something you're not. That's weak shit. The real key to attraction is building an abundance mindset, so you naturally become the kind of guy women want. When you stop giving a fuck about the outcome, act like she's already into you, and treat yourself like a fucking king. Everything else falls into place. That's what makes her want you. 2 easy ways to show abundance right now. 1. Make bold, playful statements. Most dudes are too fucking scared to say anything remotely bold to a girl, but you're about to change that. Being playful and making bold statements instantly signals confidence. A couple of fire examples? Try saying, whoa, chill, I know I'm hot, but you gotta stop flirting with me. Damn, you're trying to impress me already? I like that. These lines set the right vibe because they're playful as fuck and flip the script. You're treating her like she's the one chasing you. And let's be real, only a guy with abundance would assume another girl is into him, right? Show an abundant lifestyle without faking it. Instagram and Tinder are basically cheat codes for displaying abundance. When women stalk your profile, and trust me, they fucking will, they're looking for clues about your life. If your page is filled with boring selfies, random food pics, pictures of you sitting alone at your desk, then you're fucked. But if you've got pics of you in dope places, pictures of you smiling and having a good time, photos with friends and other women, then she's gonna see you as a guy with an awesome life, and she's gonna want to be a part of it. Final fucking recap. The key to making women chase you. Let's fucking recap. Abundance, plenty of cool shit going on in your life. Abundance makes you the prize, so women chase you. The 2 easiest ways to show it: making bold statements and displaying an abundant lifestyle on social media. And above all, treating yourself like a fucking high-value man makes all this shit happen naturally. The final step: apply this shit and watch the results. And that's it, boys. Apply this shit starting now and watch your game level the fuck up.